Oh my god. The world is falling apart. Lockdown in Lagos for the next 14 days. My mom's out there buying stuff. I am gonna go out to the supermarket later to get more stuff. Well, let's see. Let's see what happens. By the way, my brother made this pasta, this sauce, with ofada sauce. So he took the ofada sauce, all the meat was eaten by me and my mom. So he fried onions and pepper, rudu, and then put sausages and plantain. Yeah, sausages and plantain. Put it in there, allowed it to fry, then added the sauce, seasoned it, you know, made some pasta out of it. And I really like it. It's very Yoruba though. Eating pasta with ofada sauce. Alright. Coco just came and she gave me chocolate. Yay! I'm not gonna see my best friend for 14. No, 13, but with this looking like it's going to be more. I'm going to miss Coco. I already miss so many people. I haven't seen Banke 14 days. 14 fucking days. I hope we do come out of this alive though, because we're so lucky. The way some countries are going. Bub daddy. Bub daddy. Bub daddy. That name, the name of the song just makes me laugh. It's a good bro right there. The funny thing is that I don't really like vowels, but that song is stuck in my head. Do you remember the time that we used to have halo brows? What the fuck? Is that lipstick on my eye? Where's that lipstick on my eye? Hey, well, very, very odd. Extra highlighted brows. What were those brows called? Where you could literally see the line of demarcation right under the brow. And you could see how light of a concealer, when people used to use like concealer like 4 or 5 shades lighter than they were, and then like would just highlight the fuck out of their brows. Do you remember those days? The good old days. I've had so many issues with actually filming. My memory card has been acting up for the weirdest reason. First it started with like if I put my memory card inside my laptop, it'll say that it's locked, so I'd have to bring it out, unlock it, lock it, and then unlock it, and then put it back in there and work. And then today on my camera, I would put my memory card in, I would film like a little test shot. That's what I usually do sometimes, and then all of a sudden it just said recording stopped, right time camera too slow. I was like, no, not today, boo thing, you're not fucking with me today. So I've literally had to format my memory card, restart my laptop, or restart, like I had to just like start everything from the beginning and reformat because I don't know what's wrong. But yeah, I'm gonna just finish up these damn ass brows that been giving me so much stress. These brows don't have, you know, my spirit in them. Alright, I'm gonna finish it up with the Maybelline Brow Drama. Today's look is a look that I sat down and I was like, I want to do something playful and colorful. So I decided to play around with the colors blue and pink. I don't know what happens when you mix blue and pink. I actually need to Google that before I start. Pink plus blue. Blink blue? Instead of me Googling pink plus blue, I Googled Bink plus blue, and apparently it's the name of an anime. You learn new things. Pink and blue equal purple. So we're gonna get purple. Yay, that works because this look also involves purple. I'm gonna start off with this blue right here. I'm gonna start with this palette. I'm very happy I got these two palettes, this blue one and this green one, so that whenever I want to do like fun colorful looks, this palette comes through. I wanted to get more, but Corona. I'm worried about the quality of the pastel shades. I don't know if those pastel shades will show up on my skin tone. I'm thinking of getting a yellow palette. I think that one is called Honey. I wasn't sure if it would be, if like the yellow would show up well. The only yellow that has ever shown up well on my skin, one of the Juvia's Place palettes. I don't remember the exact name. Can't wait to do looks and go out again. We have our base down. I'm gonna grab my palette and go into the shade Starry Eyed right here. You know what? I think I should actually use pink, then blue. How am I gonna do this? Oh well, there's nothing I can do. I changed my mind. I'm just gonna concentrate this in my crease, just like that, lightly. And then I'm gonna go in with the pink now. I'm gonna be using the pink from the Jackie Aina palette, this shade right here. It's called Supreme. Let's see what will happen. We have some interesting things going on right here. It's definitely turning the pink darker, having that blue there. But I am determined to make this work. So one eye is definitely like pinker than the other, but still I'm doing my best. I'm basically just blending that entire area with pink, that entire top area. Pat that, pat, 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 pat. And I'm gonna take my crease brush and go into the shade Starry Eyed and just concentrate it here and see what happens. So I want the majority of the color to be right here, right in this edge. So pat, pat, move. Then we'll go back with the brush we used with the pink and lightly blend it. So it's gonna form a very interesting mix up there. Again, remember, please, this look is very experimental. I'm gonna take this same brush and I'm going to dip into the shade Pinker. I want to add some dimension to that blue shade, but I'm only applying it in the crease. I'm not going to the outer V. I want to leave that blue in the outer V right there. So we have an interesting color dimension going on in the crease. I like it. Now the crease is really becoming purple. You can really see the purple coming through on the crease, but you can still see like the hints of blue on the edge, which I'm going to further emphasize now. Kind of remind it that you belong here, boo. We have a little fun thing going on the lids. I am now going to take the shade Shookington, which is a shimmery purple. By the way, Jackie, if you ever watch this video, the names, I love the names. And I'm gonna just apply it to the lid. So I don't think there is enough connection between the purple and the pink. I feel like there's something is off. I'm gonna see if I can use some of this blue. Like something is off. This pink is looking too red. I'm gonna go in with some more blue. Maybe Pinker wasn't a good idea. I'm gonna use that to blend that shade up. Yeah, I think going back in with the blue was a good idea. Pinker wasn't a good idea as I thought it would be. But the blue connecting with the pink and marrying it all together, yeah. I wanted to actually put trust issues. I do want to add something sparkly, so I'm gonna add Zam. Yeah, just adds a little bit of element to it. So I'm gonna do the same on this side. Ooh, shiny, shimmery. Now we need to do some liner. This is the Zaran HD liquid liner. Alright, I'm just gonna do a wing, a really nice wing. If you've ever wondered how close I have to get to the mirror to do liner on my left eye, that is how close I have to get. Now that that is done, whew, I want to put a color in my waterline, and this is called Raging Violet. It's an eyeliner. Actually, that was a lip pencil, but it's an eyeliner, so I'm going to put this in my waterline. I am going to redo this later, but I'm just doing it now. You'll notice, if you've watched my last couple of videos, that I don't put on mascara like separately anymore. I do my top lash line and my bottom lash line together at the end. I just think it's easier. Deola still doesn't have any primer. In fact, I need to put that down on my shopping list. Hopefully spa will be open. I will go and get primer, powder, and a couple of other things I need. I'm going to put down a layer of powder to serve as like my base, as my primer base. I mean, my skin will still get oily, but you know, at least I'm doing something. Today's foundation is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. That noise is like uber uncomfortable sometimes. Because I'm running out, I have to do this. Why is it all finishing? Don't finish. I have to find a way to order more of this. I wonder if during this lockdown, deliveries can still happen. If like delivery companies are still, you know, delivering stuff. If I don't need to leave the house, I won't leave the house. Look at how this just like looks exactly like my skin tone. I think I've spoken about this foundation enough to know that this is top fave of mine. You know what? I think we should just do one concealer. This concealer is about to finish and I need to buy more. When I think about my life and I think about everything I've gone through, I realize that my life has kind of been steering towards me entering the music industry in one way or the other. If you've been following me, reading my blog, just fucking with me from day one, you will know that my blog started off as a music and fashion blog. I have been making playlists for like God knows how long. You'll know that I'm always constantly talking about music, and especially when it comes to my lookbooks, I have always used music first as a setting point. Like the music inspires the fashion, the music inspires the idea, the music inspires the transition. So now here I am, an editor at a music company, and I'm thinking to myself, is this the life you've always wanted? Is this is this going according to plan? And to be honest, like getting this job was not according to the plan. I thought that I would be like a 24/7 content creator, blogger, you know, that girl. I thought that would be me. Again, what happened in 2018 and 2019, you think you're going this way and the world would be like, oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. You're going that way. So when I think about the fact that I now have a job in the music industry, it's just like, yeah, I guess this is the way everything was supposed to go, I guess. Alright? Now that I've finished, you know, concealing my eyes and getting a really nice base for my skin, I'm gonna continue with this base by using the Maybelline Master Strobe Liquid. Do I want to use a lot of this today? I mean, I guess. I'm gonna put a bunch of it everywhere. Ooh. That glow though. This is the glow that would be there for you. It works so well under makeup. It's this small brush that I got from Evita Joseph. I really wish I was able to go to the Evita Joseph studio when I went to Ghana. If you don't know, Evita Joseph is a Ghanaian brand. They make brushes and lip products, and they also have eyebrow products. I love their products. I actually really like their eyebrow products. I just thought like shipping to Nigeria might be a problem, and I didn't want to go through all of that, to be very, very honest. I wish I did, you know, buy those brow products because I really, really like those brows. Alright, I'm about to set under my eyes with the usual Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder in the shade Banana. Banana, na, 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 na. Banana, na, 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 na. Banana. Banana. I learned this thing about my smile lines from, I don't know who. And then use your powder to set in those smile lines so it fills them in. But don't do this if you have like extra dry skin. If your skin is very dry, I don't advise you do that. Use just a little powder and make sure you use a nice spray, a nice like misting setting spray to melt everything together. It's time for some blush. We're gonna go with the Zaron blush in the shade Rose Charm. This is a really pigmented product, so I'm gonna be careful. Take my powder brush and blend that in. I'm really happy I don't have as many emails from work as today, because Monday is usually like just a chill day. The week starts ramping up like Wednesday, Thursday, to be honest. But Monday is usually a, you know, nice and chill day. It's time to highlight Candid Glow by Yanga Beauty. This highlighter is really taking me through an apocalypse. It's really taking me through the end of the world. That is why it's really good to invest in products that are gonna last you a long time. You just spend that money once and that's it. I have this highlighter with me and it has been with me for like 3 years now. I've been using this highlighter for 3 years. I mean, I'd love to try other ones, but like I am so good at what I have that I'm not in the mood to like change my mind or like, you know, go out of my way to buy something new. But it is my job to try new products for you guys, so I'm gonna do better when Miss Rona leaves in control and shit. What is something that you're looking forward to doing once quarantine is lifted and we're allowed to go out again? You guys already know this. I'm gonna go out dancing. I've missed going dancing. I've missed going to Bolivar. I've missed going clubbing. I've missed just like hanging out and having a night out with my friends. Before the shutdown happened, I had opportunities to like go out and party, but I was like, I shouldn't go. I don't feel like going. You know, and now look at us. I'm taking Supreme and applying it to my bottom lash line. Because I don't want it to fall everywhere, I'm just gonna pat it. I'm gonna go into the shade Starry Eyed. I'm only applying it to the outer V right here to kind of connect the blue that we still have there. Then mascara. You guys know the drill. This is the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express. Now it's time for my favorite part, the lips. So today's lips are gonna be interesting. They're gonna be dark, but they're still gonna be bright and beautiful and colorful. I'm gonna use black liner. Yes, I'm gonna use black eyeliner. Then we're gonna take this Maybelline lipstick called Blackest Berry. It's like a really dark blackened purple. Angela, you might think, but Jenna, you did such pastel eyes. Why are you going for such a dark lip? It's because the lip gloss I'm gonna use is so bright. To top it all off, I'm gonna be using the Zaron lip gloss in the shade Amethyst. I love how shiny and seductive my lips look.